From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, welcome to the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, I just want to give you guys an update about the Wells Fargo Business Secured Credit Card. I know I put out a video about the middle of April, and then a couple weeks later, Wells Fargo suspended applications for the Wells Fargo Business Secured Credit Card until the end of May. I just wanted to let you guys know it's back up and running. So if you guys were waiting to get the Wells Fargo Business Secured Credit Card, you can apply now. As it says here on their website, new business secured credit card applications are not accepted in the Wells Fargo branches, so you can only do it online. It's best if you already have a relationship with Wells Fargo on the personal side, but it is not required. So this video won't be too long. I'm just giving you guys a few little data points and updates about how it can help your business, building business credit, especially if you want to get equipment leasing, financing down the future or down the line, I should say. This credit card could help you achieve your goals with building business credit. And I'll explain why here in a moment. Before I get into that, if you could please hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification on if you're not already a subscriber, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, so let's get into it. The Wells Fargo Business Secured Credit Card is one of the only few business secured credit cards out there. You can go anywhere from $500 to $25,000 credit line. Obviously, if you give them $500, that's going to be your credit limit. If you give them, say, $5,000, that's going to be your credit limit, and so forth. You earn 1.5% cash back on every dollar spent. Rewards point option, earn 1 point on every dollar spent, and receive 1,000 bonus points when your company spends 1,000 or more in any monthly billing period. Zero liability protection. No annual fee, which is good. There's no foreign transaction fees. I'll put the link in the description below. You guys can check all that out. It shows you what you need to apply here. Like I said, I'm not going to make a long video about this because I already made a video about it already, and I don't want to bore you if you already watched that video. So how it works is you give them $500 to $25,000, whatever you want, and it will be deposited into a security, like a secured account. And that will be basically your secured credit limit for your business. There is no annual fee, like I said. There's no foreign transaction fees. The interest rates are 11.9 on purchases, prime 20.74 on cash advances. Grace period is up to 25 days on purchases. So now you want to know how the Wells Fargo card can build up your business credit. So it doesn't report to like the traditional Dun and Bradstreet and directly to, say, Dun and Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax Business credit bureaus, but they do report your payment history to the Small Business Financial Exchange. If you watched any of my past videos, I talk about the Small Business Financial Exchange a lot. That's what banks use quite a bit. So they share the data. So if you're looking to get, say, an OPG auto loan, this could help you definitely. Even if it's $500 or $1,000 secured credit card, it will still help you for sure, especially if you're trying to get a no PG auto loan. So like major banks that offer no PG auto loans, even dealership financing, say like directly through Toyota, Nissan, any of those, Ford, they're going to be also looking, they're partnered with Small Business Financial Exchange. So there's no way to actually see your score or your data with Small Business Financial Exchange because it's a exchange. Also, Dun and Bradstreet and Experian also pull and use some of that data. So it's not 100% guaranteed that you won't have this credit card show up on your Experian or your Dun and Bradstreet or Equifax Business credit reports. It could, because those bureaus also partner with Small Business Financial Exchange. So it doesn't help anything build or rebuild personal credit history. It's 100% on your business only. Of course, they're going to ask for your own personal owner Social Security number, but it's not going to actually show like the usage or the secured card on your personal side of your credit. The good thing is they will review your secured business credit card over time. Could be 6 months. I don't have enough data points to give you exact data on this, but it could be 6 months or 1 year. But as long as you're responsible using it, they may upgrade you to an unsecured version of the business credit card. So everything is here. Basically, all the information is outlined here. I'm not going to bore you with all that. You guys check it out. I just want to let you guys know that applications are back. They are accepting applications now. I think they got so swamped from my past video and maybe some other YouTubers, and they had to put a stop accepting applications online for a couple weeks or so. And this is the only card with Wells Fargo that you can't apply in the branch or over the phone. You have to do it online. So I'll leave the link in the description below. You guys can check it out. And like I said, if you have the extra money, it's worth it to spend even $500, $1,000, whatever you want, whatever you're able to do. Put it into that and use it. Pay it off quickly, and I will tell you, it will definitely help you on the data points when you go to get a, say, no PG auto loan, because several of the major financial institutions that do no PG auto loans do look at the Small Business Financial Exchange. Okay, that's all for this video, you guys. Can't talk today, sorry. Anyways, please smash that thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. All right. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.